to Today Curiosities. Here we'll tell you about celebrities and royalty. An unusual event happened to a Chilean journalist on live broadcast, when he was the victim of a singular petty thief who literally flew away with the loot. The thing was that, while the reporter was speaking to the live camera, a mischievous little parrot landed on his shoulder. An instant later, he took the earpiece out of the man's ear and disappeared into the sky with the device in its beak, leaving the journalist shrugging his shoulders in disbelief what had happened to him.
Se robó mi audífono. Sí, se robó mi audífono el loro, por eso te digo. Evidentemente la sensación con la que está generándose este tipo de cosas acá ha complicado un poco la seguridad del sector y también de lo que hoy en día se puede considerar. Se robó mi audífono. Sí, se robó mi audífono el loro, por eso te digo.
If you like the video, give it a like and share it with everyone. If you are new to the channel, subscribe with notification as I'll continue to talk about these topics. And as always, thank you very much to everyone for being there, and until the next video.